This is Dulce from LiuGong International Company. Today I want to show you our new LiuGong 9035F mini excavator. We have many in stock and can ship them out soon. This is a 3.5 small excavator. It has the classic color of LiuGong, black and yellow, nice looking and very durable. It uses original Yanmar engine. The power is very strong. It saves fuel and can work very longer. It has a 0.11 cubic meters standard bucket. It digs well with a max digging depth of 3.1 meters. There is a dozer blade at the front. It can level the ground and works very well. This machine weighs 3.5 tons or small and flexible. The cab has a wide view and easy to operate. New workers can use it easily, comfortable for long-time work. LiuGong brand is very popular in construction machinery. This machine works stable, good quality, and nice price. Very suitable for workers. If you need this machine or need other machines, feel free to contact me. That's all. Bye bye.